Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious tuna bake pasta. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 300 grams of your favorite pasta, 2 cans of tuna in brine or oil, and a few key vegetables. We'll also prepare a simple, creamy sauce and some cheese for that perfect golden topping. This dish is a fantastic, comforting meal for any day of the week. Now, let's get cooking. Start by boiling your pasta until it's perfectly al dente, then drain it well. While that's happening, gently sauté your finely chopped onion and celery in a pan until they are tender. For the creamy sauce, melt 50 grams of butter, stir in 50 grams of flour, and gradually whisk in 500 milliliters of milk until it thickens beautifully. With your pasta and sauce ready, it's time to assemble our bake. In a large baking dish, gently combine the drained pasta, the flaked tuna, your sautéed vegetables, and the rich, creamy sauce. Give it a good, gentle stir to ensure every piece is coated. Finally, sprinkle about 100 grams of grated cheddar cheese generously over the top, ready for baking. Almost there, place your assembled tuna bake into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. You're looking for a gorgeous golden brown crust and a bubbling, hot interior. Once it's out, let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. This allows the sauce to set, making it easier and even more delicious to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.